What's going on, guys? About a month ago, your time, no.
12 seconds later.
About a month ago, my time, about 2 weeks, your time, video-wise, we did a little day trip to the Cliffs Insane Terrain in Marseilles, Illinois, and I failed over and over again. I ran out of tire, ran out of ride height, ran out of talent, and it was a rough day for me. I can't fix the talent, but I can fix the tires, and I can fix the ride height. So we're not going to show you on camera much about the ride height because it's been covered over and over again by us doing the RZR 8 tender springs, but my SN definitely is sagging. And for tires, I got a set of 32-inch ITP Terrahooks that we're going to try out on my machine, so we'll be able to get some comparisons between these and Dude's tires. With he has the 32-inch Rockzillas, and then Steph has the 30-inch Pro Armor Crawler XGs. So in the mud at the cliffs, the Carnivores, I guess, are the better tire for mud, and both of their tires definitely outperformed the Carnivores, but they are worn out. So that was unfortunate for me, but I'm hoping these new Terrahooks will help me out in that department. We're gonna try something that probably won't work to break the bead. Gonna need a different method.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Well, we failed for a long time with that, but we finally got it. Of course, we started to get it to move once we turned the camera off because we didn't think it was gonna ever move. Dude recently did his, and we just, you know, were able to kind of stand on the sidewall, give it a few taps, and it popped. These, not so much. So we're gonna get the new tires on, throw them on the back, and then we'll be able to do the front. Well, we've had a lot of terrible ideas on how to weigh these and show the difference. And hours into this project, Steph had a good idea. Use the brand new Carnivore, that is my spare tire off the rack, and weigh that and compare it to the new ones.
That's a great idea. I'm with that.
We got the spare Carnivore that's still brand new on the same rim. 48.8. Alright, we're getting an official weight for the 32-inch ITP Terrahook. on the System 3 SB4 is 54.4. At this point, I don't remember what the difference is. Sorry guys, I've had too many tamales today. I can't think straight. Brand new 30-inch Carnivore, brand new 32-inch Terrahook. We have 48, I think it was. God damn it, these tamales are really getting to me. 48 something and 54.4 is what the Terrahook was. All right, we're gonna get the fronts on and then we'll see if this can get out of the garage.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, we got all the tires on. So, moment of truth, we're gonna open up the garage door and see if we can get this thing out of the garage. Oh, dude.
It's easily gonna fit.
Yeah, let me sit It fits in the garage. I'm pretty surprised. It's really close. The problem is I'm super close already and I still have to do the adjustments on the springs. I think the fronts I got to go up 1.5 inches and maybe 1 inch in the rear, so I might still have problems with the garage door, but for now we're clear. Oh, it's close. If I'm not in the machine, I don't think it'll clear. It'll probably hit. So we dodged a bullet so far. My garage is also somewhat haggard, so this side of the garage sits like 1 inch lower than that side. That's where I used to park, but now I'm gonna park over here because it gives me a little more. And I think we got a shot of it, but Steph's machine barely fits on this side now, and it's bone stock.
That's closer than yours.
So we got the weights of the 30-inch Carnivore compared to the ITP Terrahook on the System 3 SB4 rim. Dude has the System 3 SB5 rims and 32-inch Rockzillas, and he'll be sending me a little clip. He's gonna weigh them up so we can kind of compare, and I'll have it pop up now. If I knew what it was, I would have a reaction, but I don't know what it's going to be. I'm assuming it's going to be heavier than the 54.4 of the Terrahook, but we'll see.
One pair of pants later.
I wanted to do the Terrahook because it's an all-around tire, and we do a bunch of different terrains. So you can read all kinds of reviews, and you can kind of get a skewed opinion, because some people that maybe only ride in the desert in Arizona or something will say like, oh, the Carnivore sucks, but maybe that's for their terrain. Same thing with, you know, some of those hard-packed desert wheels. If we try to run them, they're gonna suck to us because we hit a combination of trails, and a lot of the places that involves mud. So where you live and where you ride is a big factor in tire decision. and opinions. So if you research tires, remember that some people will have a negative opinion on a tire, but that tire is not proper for their terrain. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys, I'm super pumped with how this thing looks with these tires. I can't wait to get out there and test them out. I wish I could do that on this video, but no time, and the machine's at my house, which means I don't have a place to ride. These tires and Dude's Rockzillas and even Steph's Crawler XGs, even though we didn't just put them on, they still are new. That's what the Trails and Rocks comes with. They're all going to get tested this summer. I think 10 days alone at Windrock, we're going to learn some things about all these tires. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you on the next one. You guys done creaking yet?